In this aid, we will voice our especially own and market's perspective on HEX future while examining HEX cost figure for 2023 and past in a kind of significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you ought to basically think about this and any very other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything especially is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like HEX in a significant manner. Presently, we should head into it in an exceptionally significant manner. Before we dig profound into the HEX value expectation and answer questions in the event that HEX sort of is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will HEX truly succeed or fundamentally fizzle, or for what reason will HEX value rise or drop? We should rapidly basically toss a look at what is HEX and its to-date history, which explicitly is very huge. HEX value expectation for the most part next 10 days in a by and large enormous manner. The truly entire crypto world truly is on an edge of a really complete breakdown in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched sort of high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs amazingly. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is dinky, and there will be most certainly more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers especially are selling unsafe resources and moving into commonly more truly stable business sectors in a kind of significant manner. Crypto most certainly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees us some truly green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year, which essentially is genuinely huge. This fundamentally is basically reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin especially needs to generally find a base before we can move in every practical sense, inverse bearing, and certainly alter the course, or so they really thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to truly do likewise. We basically have seen this situation many most certainly times in the far off and sort of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the most part next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We most certainly expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike in a very significant manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we generally assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and a few other extremely exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they explicitly thought. 2023-0405 plus 0.08% $0 0871 2023 04 060 0.86% $0 0863 2023 04 07 plus 2.19% $0 0889 2023 04 080 0.43% $0 0866 2023 04 090 0.92% $0 0862 2023 04 10 plus 2.35% $0 0891 2023 04 111.97% $0 0853 2023 04 12 plus 3.57% $0 0901 2023 04 133.83% $0 0837 2023 04 140.22% $0 0868 2023 04 15 plus 3.17% 8 cents HEX value forecast 2023 by and large high expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which is very huge. At the point when we generally take the inward crypto issues with genuinely large players like FTX, Celsius, Explore, Luna going down, 2023 really isn't looking excessively awesome for the bulls, which most certainly is very critical. We will likely by and large see a ton of pretty exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to generally slip essentially lower with each truly minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner, or so they really thought. Beneath certainly is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APR 10.28% $0 0781 2023 May 25.61% $0 $0.06472023 Jun 23.99% $0 $0.06612023 Jul 16.50% $0.07272023 Og 3.87% $0.08372023 Sep 3.43% $0.08402023 Oct plus 4.27% $0.09072023 Nov plus 20.48% $0.10482023 Dec plus 25.63% $10932024 Jan plus 24.94% $0.10872024 Feb plus 35.52% $11792024 Blemish plus 44.00% 12 cents HEX value expectation 2025 Our expectation model sees HEX coming to 21 cents in 2025 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX coin value expectation 2030 to 2040 What HEX will be worth in 2030 in a significant manner. Our Guajing model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2030, which for the most part is genuinely huge. What HEX will basically be worth in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Our anticipating model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2040, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will HEX in a real sense trade, generally outperform, in a real sense surpass Bitcoin? No, HEX won't in a real sense supplant or explicitly surpass BTC. Can HEX reach $1 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to in every way that really matters, reach $1 in the short or midterm period in an unpretentious manner. Can HEX especially reach $10 amazingly? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to truly reach $10 in every practical sense, short or midterm period, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Can HEX, all things considered, reach $100 in a huge way? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to reach $100 in the sort of short or midterm period. How genuinely high will HEX generally go in a really significant manner? Our estimating model sees HEX cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future in an unobtrusive manner. Is HEX especially worth purchasing? We in a real sense don't see a brilliant future for HEX incredibly. It is genuinely worth purchasing just as a transient theory with a sort of good leave methodology, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX in every practical sense is certainly not a by and large great long haul generally hold amazingly. Is HEX a wise interest in a sort of significant manner? HEX in every way that really matters is definitely not an especially wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it especially faces a wild contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't by and large stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the task is problematic, which generally is very huge. Can HEX sort of make you a mogul, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking? No, HEX cannot actually make you a tycoon as we basically don't for the most part see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How much